I love Ash. Let me tell you why. They give you awesome teachers. Plus, they give you free lunch. Then you just have to wait in a little line. No long lines, no little time to waste. Plus, you can sit next to your best friends.
I liked Ash because all the teachers that I have are really nice.
What I like about Ash is meeting new teachers, making more friends, having fun, doing PE, and learning something new.
I love Ash because I learn a lot and I really like art, PE, and music. I feel great when I'm there all day, every day. It's a great place to learn.
I love Ash because I can do artwork.
I feel good when I'm at Ash because I feel like I see all of my friends there and it makes me feel happy. My favorite teachers at Ash are Mrs. Staples, Miss Rigney, Miss Pistaglione, and Miss Martin, which are all my teachers.
Our son is in the first grade at Ash. He's been there for 3 years. And from the moment that we set foot in the place, I think it was impressive how much the school valued community and togetherness. We've enjoyed the cultural events and the holiday events that they've had. And generally, it's been a warm and welcoming place.
We also really love the teachers. Every year, our son has had a fantastic teacher. It really seems like there's a lot of really awesome energy. The teachers are really engaged with the students and really passionate about teaching to such a diverse student body.
We love Ash. It's been a great experience for us so far.